Good morning, students. Today's topic is physical features of Tamil Nadu. In this lesson, we are going to learn about landscape of Tamil Nadu and waterfalls of Tamil Nadu. First, let us see about our state. Tamil Nadu is located in the south of India. It is the 11th largest state in India. Tamil Nadu extends up to Kanyakumari, which forms the southernmost tip of India. It is the meeting point of Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. தமிழ்நாடு இந்தியாவின் தென்முனையான கன்னியாகுமரி வரை விரிவடைந்துள்ளது. கன்னியாகுமரி வங்காள விரிகுடாவும் இந்திய பெருங்கடலும் அரபிக்கடலும் சந்திக்கும் இடமாகும். The Pulicat Lake is situated at the northern end of Tamil Nadu. Let us see about landscape of Tamil Nadu. The landscape of Tamil Nadu can be divided into 4 categories, namely mountains, plateaus, plains and coast. Mountains. Tamil Nadu is the only state in India which has both the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. They meet at the Nilagiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. Tottapeta is the highest peak in Nilagiri Hills. Tamil Nadu has various hill stations like Ooty, Kodaikanal, Kolli Hills, கோத்தகிரி and ஏற்காடு. மேற்கு தொடர்ச்சி மலைகள் மற்றும் கிழக்கு தொடர்ச்சி மலைகளை கொண்ட ஒரே இந்திய மாநிலம் தமிழ்நாடு. அவை தமிழகத்தின் நீலகிரி மலைத்தொடரின் மிகப்பெரிய சிகரம் தொட்டபெட்டா ஆகும். தமிழகத்தில் உதகமண்டலம், கொல்லிமலை, கோத்தகிரி, கொடைக்கானல் மற்றும் ஏற்காடு என பல மலைவாழிடங்கள் உள்ளன. The Eastern Ghats do not get enough rainfall. Unlike the Western Ghats, which receives lot of rainfall, the plantations grown in these Ghats include tea, coffee and spices. மேற்கு தொடர்ச்சி மலைகளை போன்று கிழக்கு தொடர்ச்சி மலைகள் போதிய மழைப்பொழிவு கிடைக்கிறதில்லை. இம்மலைத்தொடர்களில் தேயிலை, காஃபி மற்றும் வாசனை பொருட்கள் பயிரிடப்படுகின்றன. Tamil Nadu has rich flora and fauna. Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park in Anaimalai are in the Western Ghats of the state. There are a variety of plant species found in them. The Kurunji shrub is the most special of them all. Kurunji flowers blossoms once in 12 years. Plateaus. There are 3 plateaus in Tamil Nadu, namely Paramahal Plateau, Coimbatore Plateau and Madurai Plateau. There are many small hills between these plateaus. Chennimalai is one among those hills in Erode. தமிழ்நாட்டில் 3 பீடபூமிகள் உள்ளன. இப்பீடபூமிகளுக்கு இடையே அதிக அளவில் சிறிய மலைக்குன்றுகள் உள்ளன. ஈரோட்டில் உள்ள சென்னிமலை இவற்றில் ஒன்றாகும். Plains. Plains in Tamil Nadu can be divided into river plains and coastal plains. River plains. Rivers Palar, Cheyyar, Pennar and Vellar form the northern plains. The middle river plain is formed by Kaveri and its tributaries. River Vaigai and Thamirabarani form the southern plains. River Cheyyar is a tributary of river Palar. It is a seasonal river that flows through the district of Thiruvannamalai. Coastal plains. Coastal plains of Tamil Nadu are also called Cholamandalam Plains, which extend from Chennai to Kanyakumari. Coast. Tamil Nadu has the third longest coastline in India. The coastal region extends from Chennai to Kanyakumari. Pamban Island forms a part of Ramanathapuram. It separates Gulf of Mannar and Palk Strait. 13 districts share the coastline. Pamban Island forms a part of Ramanathapuram. The notable beaches of Tamil Nadu are Marina Beach, the second longest urban beach in the world. Rameshwaram Beach is famous for its beautiful view. Kanyakumari Beach is famous for its beautiful views of sunrise and sunset over the water. Rooks are steep rocks. Rock Fort is a famous rook in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. Let us see about waterfalls of Tamil Nadu. Waterfalls is an area where the river water flows down from a mountain. Tamil Nadu has several waterfalls. Some of them are Hokenakal Waterfalls. Hokenakal Waterfalls is located in Dharmaburi on the river Kaveri. It is known for bathing areas, boat rides, and attract many tourists all around the year. Kutralam Waterfalls. Kutralam Waterfalls is located in Tenkasi. It is in the Western Ghats on the river Chittar. Suruli Waterfalls. Suruli Waterfalls is located in Theni. Here the water falls from a series of rock steps. Vattaparai Waterfalls. Vattaparai Waterfalls is located in Kanyakumari. The falls is surrounded by forest on all sides. People are allowed to take a natural bath here. Children, try to answer. Where do the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet in Tamil Nadu? Name any two wildlife sanctuaries in the Eastern Ghats of Tamil Nadu. Thank you.